Welcome, travel agents. This is a tutorial on how to create your travel destination video using PhotoStory. We will begin on the All Seasons Travel Agency website. The premise is the All Seasons Travel Agency needs to increase sales for some tourist hotspots, including Egypt, Hawaii, Paris, Sydney, and Venice. You will be split up into groups of 3 to work collaboratively and each have a role, including a script writer, a narrator, and a producer. Videos must be 2 to 4 minutes long and include 10 to 15 photos plus their citations. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the destinations. Because we will be using the Sydney, Australia example, let's start there. This page is where you can locate and download the photos for Sydney. It also has a picture links file which you will need for your citations. Click View to pull up the file. We'll select the first link for this example. This will bring us to the photo located at Flickr Creative Commons. You will be using this site to obtain photos for future projects as well. It contains all your citation information, including photographer, year photo was taken, and the name or title of the photo. Now let's go back to the travel agency project page to view the travel destination links. You will use these sites to gather information and statistics for your video. I would like for you to include a sentence or two regarding tourism statistics for that destination, just like in the Sydney example video where it included that 5.8 million people visited last year. Okay, now click on View to pull up the file. We'll select the State and Regional Development and Tourism Division of Industry and Investment as an example. The best place to start would be Attractions under Things to Do. Then select Sydney's top attractions. This should be a great spot to find some information. Notice that several of the attractions match the photos we'll be including in our video. Let's select the Sydney Opera House. It includes a summary about the Opera House and a link to its homepage where you can find more detailed information. Let's go back to our travel agency again because I want you to see that there is an example video that you can view on how it's supposed to look like at the end. Okay, now let's focus on how to use PhotoStory to create the video itself. First, we have to select Begin a New Story and click Next. Now we have to import our pictures we downloaded from our website. Let's choose our dingoes photo from the Taronga Zoo. After we import all our photos and place them where we want them to be viewed in our video, click Next. Now we can add text to our photos. In the example, Welcome to Sydney, Australia was included. Just remember that you can select different fonts, colors, and sizes, but remember that the text must be clear and stand out with the photo as the backdrop. Click Next to move on to narration and to customize your photos. Click Record to begin your narration. When finished, simply press the stop button. If you made a mistake, it's not a problem because you can use the delete narration button. Also, you can select Customize Motion, which allows you to choose where the zoom focus begins and ends on your photos. The transition feature also has many options to choose from for transitioning from one slide to the next. Next, we will be creating the music for our video. There are many styles and moods to choose from that sets the tone for your video. Do you want something upbeat, adventurous, or something more laid back in the island style? You can also set your tempo and preview your selections. Let's go back to Import Pictures because I want to show you how to import your citations from PowerPoint to PhotoStory. We already covered PowerPoint and citations in previous lessons, but I wanted to show you the proper way to save them for inclusion in your video. After finishing your citations, do not save them as a PowerPoint presentation. Click on Select as File Type and choose JPEG File Format. Now you will be able to select them and import them into your PhotoStory. The last thing is to select Save Your Story for playback on your computer and click Next. The program will start creating your video. I hope you had fun creating your videos. I look forward to watching them.